Hello, everybody, and welcome to Capstone Portfolio Tuesday. It's Mr. Majewski. I am back. This week, we're going to be continuing to look at how we build our portfolio, and specifically what assignments we would like to add into it. Now, please note, you're going to have both the Tuesday and the Friday advisement sessions in the entire month of January to continue to build your capstone. It's important to remember you should have one assignment per class added into your capstone portfolio. That will usually be 5 to 6 assignments per student. And everyone's goal at Catella should be to have their capstone portfolio created and all of those 5 to 6 assignments added into their portfolio by the end of January. And of course, I've reminded you of this before, but the capstone portfolio is all about your choice and your voice. Remember, you choose the assignments, you provide the explanation of that assignment in your own words. You're going to reflect on that assignment in your own way as well. But it's really helpful to get some recommendations from our teachers in our various classes. And so today we're going to be taking a look at what the science department recommends for potential capstone portfolio assignments. It's important to remember some teachers may not have every single assignment offered in their class, so you always want to ask them. Let's get right into that with our Living Earth classes. The Living Earth teachers recommend the Environmental Awareness Project, the Ecological Footprint assignment, the Energy Cube project, or the Cell Respiration Creative Stories assignment. For your Chemistry in Earth systems, the Climate Change infographic, the Careers in Chemistry presentations, or the hot air balloon lessons would all be great ideas for your portfolio. In physics, your website, your alternative energy research assignment, or your puzzles activity or egg drop would also be great entries as well. Next, let's turn to our AP Science classes. In AP Biology, your teacher recommends the final project that you will be doing. In AP Environmental Science, you have 6 unit PBL projects that are possible entries for your capstone. Finally, in our Human Anatomy and Physiology courses, the Medical Ethics assignment or the chicken wing dissection would be great possible entries as well. Next, we will be moving over to our math department and looking at some capstone portfolio assignments that might be good ideas for you. Always be on the lookout for your specific class so that you have some ideas in mind when you are adding entries into your portfolio. In the Math 1 class, your PTAs, your performance task assessments, and you have one for each quarter, would be great ideas for you to add. Those could involve the topics of solving equations, lines, or interpreting graphs. In Math 2, you are constructing a circumcenter assignment, your triangle booklet, or your Pythagorean spiral project. All might be great possible assignments for you to add. In Math 3, your rate of change activity or your quadratic activity might be good ideas. Math 1 and 2 honors, your rate of change project or your linear programming project were recommended. And for Math 2-3 honors, sketching graphs and the feasibility activity also were chosen by your teachers. Our probability and statistics teachers recommended the jumping frog contest and the roller coaster safety project. In pre-calculus, the systems of equations project and the law of sines and cosines project was also suggested. Finally, pre-calculus honors, the parent functions project and the unit circle project might be good ideas for you. And our last, but certainly not least, math subjects, financial algebra, the working budget, or the stock market game might be great ideas for you. In AP statistics, the water or the candy project might be great ideas. Finally, in AP calculus, the volume project is recommended as a possible entry. Folks, as always, remember it's your choice what you put in your portfolio. These are just suggestions for you. If you're still not clear as to what to put into your portfolio, or some of these assignments maybe don't ring a bell with you, make sure to ask your science or your math teacher for help, or for possible other suggestions or recommendations that you did do in that class. Our next video will include suggested assignments from our visual and performing arts classes, our AVID, and our health classes as well. That's going to do it for this week. Until next week, have a great one, folks.